In this video, we're going to cover the Yield Estimate Scouting Tool. So this is a feature in AgMRI that allows users to calculate the estimated yield potential for their cornfields before harvest. So what this is going to do is give you the option to pick 3 different points in your field you'd like to test, and after observing the ears of corn, you can enter that data into AgMRI, in which we are going to generate a zone yield map. And within that map, it will display the estimated yield for your entire field and the respective areas within. Now, you can do this manually, and then you can also do this automatically. So the automatic function is RAI is going to pick those 3 points for you based on varying areas of your field with respect to health. So how we get there is binoculars in the bottom right hand, and you're going to do so like you would for any other scouting function, and you're going to find yield estimation. So that is going to bring up 2 different options. Those 2 different options are self and auto. So self is going to be that first option, like I said, where you get to pick those 3 points yourself. So for example, I would pick this point right here, and then for kernels, just making these numbers up, I could pick 32. Let's say rows is 20 and ears within that test area 34. And then that last box is going to be your test weight, and this is by 1,000. So if I put 90, obviously 90,000 kernels per bushel, so on and so forth, depending on what you input. Now, it will always default to 90, so if this is not accurate for you, you will need to change this. So you would then hit done, you would hit confirm, and you would do this 2 other times, again picking different points within your field. After doing so, you would eventually get this map right here, which would show 3 points that you tested, and it would ultimately calculate that zone yield map. And this is what it would look like. So you would have your various areas of your field with respect to health and the projected yield estimate for those areas. Next is going to be that second option. So within the yield estimation, you have this auto feature. So the auto, again, is going to pick those 3 areas of your field itself. So let that think for a second while it is calculating those different areas, and then you will see you can enter ultimately what you observed after looking at those ears of corn. You could enter all that data for those 3 different points. So after doing so, again, you would hit confirm, and this would generate again that yield estimate map, which you will see right here. So if you have any questions with this, please contact your current Intellinair representative, and we'd be happy to walk you through this function and ultimately how to generate these maps on your fields. Thank you.